Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So Feedly is a great way for reading, but what if you could make it do things automatically? What if every article you saved for later also gets added to spreadsheet, posted to Slack, or turned into a task in your project manager? So that's where Zapier comes in. According to Zapier's official documentation, Feedly integrates with thousands of apps through Zapier, from Google Sheets to Slack to Notion to Trello. You can automate almost anything. So the key is understanding what triggers Feedly can send to Zapier. According to the integration page, Feedly offers several trigger events: when you add a new note, when you save an article for later, when you add a highlight, and even more. Each trigger can kick off any number of actions in other apps. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Feedly to Zapier, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, go to Zapier.com and sign up. It's a free trial available usage since it's a one-time Zap. So as I told you, free trial allows single-step zaps, one trigger, one action. Paid trials offer multi-step zaps with filters and even delays. So you should understand the Feedly triggers. For example, when we say new note, or when you add a new note to an article, new article saved for later, when you save to read later, and all of this. Now, you should go and try to connect Feedly to Zapier by tapping Create Zap, look for Feedly as your trigger app, select it, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.